Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can bold letters in Discord on the desktop client. Okay, so I'm just going to go into my server real quick, and I can go into a random channel that doesn't have any chats. So I'll just go into this admins channel, and you can see I did this for the mobile version of the tutorial on this channel. So to do a bold text, I'm going to type it out normally so you can see it. So if I type bold text, then press enter, you'll see that. Now to add bold text, all you need to do is put 2 asterisks in the beginning. Then you can type your text without any spaces in the beginning. So I'll write the second word with a space, then I'll put 2 more asterisks, and you can see it kind of went bold now. So I can copy and paste that, and you can see it's now bold. And that's all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.